Hey friends, today we are going to draw a police car. We need paper, pencils, this, pencils, something to color, and paper. I have a pencil, and in Spanish, police cars color the policía. I am drawing the road. Good. Now, let's draw the other one. This. Finish the road. I'm drawing a circle. Put it like okay, let's draw another one. Here. We made those circles. We're drawing some circles inside. I'm drawing another circle. We're just drawing two. Let's put this back. Let's draw this and this and this for our police car. Now I'm going to draw some curves like a rainbow. Draw a curve like a rainbow and another curve like a rainbow. Okay. Now I'm drawing a line here, then a curve, then a special line. Let's draw the line here and this smaller curve and so like this, this, and this. So, however, do you love police cars? All do you love? Sometimes when you don't love it, just clean it up, then start again. So, police cars, they take regular people into jail or shelter. And they make siren and lights, all they love to do. They do some noises, the alarm. Wheel. That's police cars, they do. They do siren. Because the noise is siren too, sometimes. Okay, now I'm drawing the shape of the car. Okay. I finished the shape of the car, drawing windows. If you love it, please subscribe to the channel. And just subscribe, click the bell. What? I didn't fit. Okay, making this the antenna. Also a mirror. And let's color this. Now, let's draw another window. Going straight. We also make the same. Oh. Let's go a little bit more here. Okay. Now I'm making some door handles. Now I will clean the shape here. We need just short lines. Let's go here. Okay, let's make some siren. Let's spell police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. Let's draw a star. Okay, now I'm drawing some lamps. I mean, a lamp there and a lamp here. More parts of the lamp. Let's draw the sun. Okay. Now I'm drawing this. Now I can color this part, and I will use the rest of white. That's 4. Okay. We finished that part. Now, from there, okay. We still need to color. Good. We have last thing. Let's put our pencils here and our rules here. We need our last thing to do. Next is color. Let's color the siren first and using red. And using blue. Dark blue all around. Okay. Wow. Let's make this part with black. Seems very dark. Let's fix this. Now let's do the dark blue part. Oh, we need to add some yellow for the star. Okay. See some blue. For the police car too. Maybe dark blue. We also need to paint this. Okay, I'm going to use the red color again. We have this all around here. Switch to a light green. That. Now I'm using red again. Okay. Now I'm using blue color too. That's a lot. Some more red. Let's put a little bit of red. Let's put some orange, yellow, and red. We also add gray. Okay, let's make day. That's great. I got siren. Some add of gray. Okay. Now this. And we also need to talk about more about the police car. It's very easy to draw and color with it. It's not very hard to draw. It's not a lot more detail. It's very easy. It's a little bit detail. This is very cool. I'm painting the police car all. Okay. Now I'm using this thingy for that. Or to color it. Using more. Now I will color the road. I'm making this all. Which police cars do you love? Rainbow ones or what? Making it in half. Using it for here. It's for the jungle. It's for the animals. How it turned out with light green. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.